Hello, my name is Christina, and today I want to show you how to crochet these beautiful two-color flowers. Most likely you've seen the beautiful designs using these crochet motif leaves. You will need two contrasting color yarn, stitch markers, and according size crochet hook. In my case, it's 4.5 millimeters. We start with chain 14. Do a slip knot and chain 14 stitches. From the second chain from the hook, we will do a single crochet. This will be our first stitch and the same time corner, so we place a stitch marker. So this will be the stitch where the join will be made. And now we'll do half double crochet, one double crochet, and now we'll do extended double crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop, and now when you make yarn over, you pull only through the one loop. And now we finish as regular double crochet. So the extended double crochet is something between double crochet and treble crochet. Now we need to do 5 treble crochet. After our 5 treble crochet, we will be working in descending order, and we continue again with extended double crochet, yarn over, pull through only one loop, and then finish as a regular double crochet. And then there is a regular double crochet, and then descending order, half double crochet, and when we come to the last chain, last stitch, we do 3 single crochet, and we will be turning a corner as well. So now in the middle of this 3 single crochet, we place a stitch marker. This will be our second corner. And now we will be working on the other side, but be careful where to put your crochet hook. Don't put only through this half loop, not through the one strand, otherwise you will have a hole in the middle. But try to find this middle just right under the previous stitch, and you will be putting like into 2 strands and double crochet, half double crochet. And now you see we put the crochet hook like just in the base of the previous stitch, and you will be putting through the 2 strands, and we do the double crochet. So basically we continue mirror wise the same procedure. Now I have extended double crochet, and 5 triple or treble crochet. I've made a free mini PDF of this pattern for you. Grab it through the link below by popping in your email. This lets me stay in touch with you occasionally. It's how I will send any pattern updates or my little newsletter with crochet tips. So as you can see, each stitch will be just on the other side of the previous, in the mirror order. Okay, now we finish our 5 triple crochet. Now again we will be working into descending order with extended double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and now we have 1 stitch before our stitch marker. We need to make 2 single crochet to finish off our first round, and we will join the new color. We place a stitch marker on the middle of this 3 single crochet, and now we are ready to join a new color. Now we joined like this. You can tighten up the strand so nothing stays loose. Make chain 1, and that's how we add a new color. Now as you see, this is our middle single crochet, but we need to do in the same stitch where we joined another single crochet. Now we make a single crochet with a new color. Now we work half double crochet, now we will have double crochet, another double crochet, and now we will do the extended double crochet in the next stitch again. Now we will do extended double crochet and triple double crochet in the same stitch. And now in the same stitch we will do triple treble crochet, chain 1, and another triple treble crochet in the same stitch. And we work in the descending order again. Triple crochet, extended crochet in the same stitch, extend the double crochet in the next, two double crochet in the next stitches, now it's time for half double crochet, and before the marker we have one stitch left. This will be single crochet, and in this corner, when we come to the marker, in this corner stitch we will make single crochet, chain one, and single crochet in the same stitch. Now we turn the corner and make single crochet in the next, and we mirror all the stitches like so. I will stop talking now. I will only let you see. And when you are one stitch before the stitch marker, make a single crochet. Then finish the round with a single crochet, chain one, and the single crochet all in the last stitch. And that's round 2 complete. Find that very first single crochet, insert your hook from back to front, pull through the loop fast enough, and weave in all your ends. And there you have it, a gorgeous crochet leaf motif. Use it in the blankets, a pillow cover, a garland. The possibilities are endless. And thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!